Yeah! Today is Sunday. Good morning, Dad.
Morning, son.
Good morning, Anna. Good morning, Bill. Good morning, Mom. Mom, are you okay?
I'm okay, sweetheart. Don't worry about me. Mom, you have a fever.
Dad! Anna! Mom has a fever. Hurry, she's not well. Mom, you need to rest today.
That's right. You should take some medicine and rest.
But there's still so much housework to do. I need to take care of everything.
Don't worry, Dad, and we will handle everything.
Will you all be okay?
Of course. You can trust the three of us.
All right, my heroes, let's clean this house. Anna, take care of the laundry.
Yes, boss.
Bill, go pull the weeds in the garden.
Yes, boss.
And I'll take care of cleaning the house.
That's way too much laundry. Come on, Close. Come on, Close.
The kids have way too many toys.
These weeds grow so fast. Mom just pulled them out last week, and now they're already this tall. Wow, that dragonfly is so beautiful. Dragonfly, come play with me. Wait for me!
Oh my God, Bill! Bill, you've crushed all of your mum's flowers.
Oh, sorry, Dad. Dad, what should I do now?
It's okay, my son. Let's plant them again for your mom.
But I don't know how to plant flowers.
All right, I'll teach you.
First, you need to dig a small hole like this.
Then you place the flower into the hole, cover it with soil, and remember to water it regularly so it can grow well.
Dad, I get it now. I'll plant lots of flowers for Mum.
Remember to pull out all the weeds in the garden, too.
Okay, Dad.
Ugh, this shelf is so dusty.
Finally! Oh no! Dad! Help me!
What's going on?
There's too much laundry. I can't close the washing machine door.
You should separate the laundry, wash white clothes separately from colored clothes so the colors stay bright.
Oh, I get it now. Next, I need to add detergent and fabric softener.
Wow, it smells so good. Washing the white clothes next will finish everything.
Bill, are you almost done pulling the weeds? I'm almost done. Okay, then come inside and help Dad clean up. Dad, we're done with our chores. Let us help you.
Okay, let's go.
Dad will mop the floor.
Bill will clean the table. Anna will arrange the flowers.
Ugh, I'm so tired.
So this is what Mom goes through every day.
Dad, Anna, I have an idea.
That's a great idea.
Anna, help me peel the carrots. Bill, help me peel the potatoes.
Okay, Dad.
Got 'em.
Dad, Mom is definitely going to be really happy with the soup we're making.
All right, kids, let's see how it looks.
Wow, it looks so delicious. I'll go upstairs and call Mom. Mom, this is a surprise for you. I hope you feel better soon. Mom, thank you for taking care of our family every day.
Thank you, my love and my children. I'm truly so happy.
I'm so glad we're all here together.